Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today I will share and teach everyone how to increase the view seating live stream on TikTok. Then the tool I will use today is TikTok MKT software, which will support you to add unlimited TikTok accounts. Adopt unlimited TikTok accounts on the software. You can log into multiple TikTok accounts at the same time. For example, you can completely deploy automatic features and use TikTok manually as usual. And now go to the main feature. I will guide you to set up how to automatically enter the live stream. To increase the view comment in the live stream, first copy the live link. I'll just get a live link. You can copy the full URL of the live stream. Then you paste it into the software. And then you're going to set yourself up first this amount of viewing time. Next is to comment or like the live stream. Share link. You can absolutely add the content to the comment seating. In the end, you will choose the TikTok accounts included in the software. In the last box, select the number of streams and press the start button. Please see that the software will support you seating live automatically. Increase your eyes, comment, and like the live stream. If you are live selling on TikTok, this will be a very effective tool for you. If you are interested in software, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp at the bottom of the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.